Hi. Week 10, also Chapter 10, Project Communication Management. This chapter's not that long, but it's probably one of the more important ones if you're going to get into project management is how do I communicate with the project team, key stakeholders. From an assignment standpoint, guess what? Just 2 discussion questions. So I'm not looking for 2-page paragraphs, pages in writing. But I'm also not looking for 1-word answers. So just give it some thought. Don't go crazy. You also have the Chapter 10 exam, and I will get around to posting up the key terms for the chapter here in a little bit. So hope you enjoy this week. A little bit of a respite, but we'll see how it goes. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.